Hi, the purpose of this video is to get the power trio statistics. That's the mean, the median, and the standard deviation. To do so, the easiest way to do that is go over to the Data tab, click on that once, and then go over to the Data Analysis Tool Pack. Click that once, and in this list there is Descriptive Statistics. I click OK. The input range is where's the data, what data do you want to use, so I click the up arrow, I click the very first cell, which is my header or the label, and I'm going to hold down Control, Shift, and then the down arrow. And that will take me all the way to the bottom of the data points. I'm going to click the down arrow again. I did click on the first row, which was a label, so labels in the first row. And then the output range is basically where do you want to put this data. So I'm going to click the up arrow again. I'm going to go back all the way to the top, and maybe I'll put it here in D1. Click the down arrow again, and to get the power trio you want to click on this summary statistics and then click OK. So here is our information. I'll click and drag, move this over a little bit. Here's the mean, median, and standard deviation. And let's put all of those in currency. So home, and then the currency button. Also the range, minimum, maximum, and sum is currency. And then here's our end, 1,235 data points. So that's how we get the power trio. Hopefully that's helpful to you, and blessings.